train is moving along a straight track at an initial velocity of 10 meters per second. When the operator sees a car on the track ahead, the brakes are applied and the train comes uniformly to rest in 4 seconds. Find the train's deceleration during braking. Find the distance traveled after the brakes are applied. Initial velocity was 10 meters per second. Final velocity is equal to 0 meters per second. Time to stop after the brakes were applied is equal to 4 seconds. Deceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Let's substitute the values. A is equal to 0 minus 10 divided by 4, and therefore A would be equal to minus 2.5 meters per second squared. So the deceleration is minus 2.5 meters per second squared. Now let's find the distance traveled by the train after the brakes were applied. Initial velocity was 10 meters per second. Deceleration is equal to minus 2.5 meters per second squared. The train travels a certain distance after the brakes were applied. Let's find that distance. The time to stop after the brakes were applied is equal to 4 seconds. Stopping distance S is equal to ut plus half at squared. Let's substitute the values. We'll get S equal to 40 minus 20, which is equal to 20 meters. So, the distance the train travels after the brakes were applied is equal to 20 meters. So these are the answers we obtained. Deceleration is equal to minus 2.5 meters per second squared, and the stopping distance is equal to minus 20 meters.